welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadej, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I achieve these jumbo box braids. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button, click the subscribe if you haven't already. There will be more videos just like this one. The rubber band method is perfect for those who are new at braiding or have difficulty with gripping their hair. You basically want to section your hair individually, apply a rubber band that has been coated in oil to each section. I did record this process, so if you want to see the video, please let me know in the comments down below. This is one bundle of the 3-pack bundle. I'm going to split this bundle in half. Then you're going to split each of those bundles in half as well, leaving you with 4 pieces per bundle. So by the end of 1 pack of braiding here, you will have 12 pieces that will make 12 braids. Starting with the first piece, I'm going to split that in half, loop them around each other, creating this interlock here, and then we will begin our braid. I'm applying Shine Jam to my hair, taking that piece that I created. Piece 1 will have my natural hair, piece 2 will not have any natural hair, and piece 3 has the remaining 2 pieces of that interlock. In this next clip here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to freeze it. So please watch carefully. I'm going to try my best to explain. You're going to want to grab piece 1 by going underneath piece 2. Move piece 2 to the left, and then immediately grab piece 3 by going underneath piece 1. Then you're going to move piece 1 to the right. Then you're going to want to grab piece 2, and then move piece 3 to the left. Then you're going to grab piece 1, move piece 2 to the right, and then grab piece 3, and then move piece 1 to the left. And now we're back at where we started, and then you will continue so on and so on. I hope that that made sense. You're basically taking the outer pieces and bringing them in underneath the middle piece. It is okay for you to turn and start braiding your hair from the side, because trust me, your arms will get tired. But just make sure you're just flipping your hands and not flipping the braid, because you don't want to get a twist in the braid, and then you're going to lose that flawless sleekness of the braid. Another way that you can do this is splitting your natural hair into 2 pieces, especially if you have thicker hair. Splitting it will allow it to blend much better than having your natural hair being concealed by only 1 piece of braiding hair. The braid technique pattern is the exact same, but now 2 pieces of the extension hair has your natural hair along with it. you can see here, I separated my natural hair into two pieces. So the hair on the right has my natural hair, and the one in the middle also has my natural hair. So usually towards the front of my head, I noticed that my braids will be a little bit shorter, and then I have to add in more hair. So that is what I'm doing it now. Sliding that in between those two pieces, and then just continue to braid like normal. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm going to dip this hair in hot water, apply some mousse, pat it dry, and then show you the final look. Now you know I'm transitioning with a hair flip. This is the final look. I only used 3 packs of hair. It took me 2 hours. I have in 26 braids. I'm loving this look. Definitely perfect for summer. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there is a particular hairstyle you want to see, leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.